Ready to travel and speak English with confidence? This lesson will teach you the most useful English sentences for real-life travel situations. Slowly, clearly, and naturally. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you speak real English step by step with no stress and no pressure. In this lesson, you'll practice sentences for the airport, hotel, restaurant, and more, slow listening and natural rhythm, repeat after me style for fluency. Subscribe now and comment, I'm ready to travel in English. Let's get started. Tip 1 at the airport. Check-in. You're at the airport check-in counter. Here are the most useful phrases. Practice sentences. Hi, I'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation. Here's my passport. I'm flying to New York. Can I have a window seat? How many bags can I check in? Repeat slowly. Feel the rhythm. Shadow the pronunciation. Pro tip: practice with your passport in your hand for real-life feeling. Tip 2 at security. Simple answers. Security checks can be stressful. Here are short answers to sound calm and natural. Practice sentences. Yes, that's my bag. No, I don't have any liquids. I'm wearing a belt. It's just my laptop. Sure, I'll take off my shoes. Shadow each sentence twice. Use short answers. Stay polite and clear. Tip 3. On the plane, talking to staff. You're seated and a flight attendant approaches. Let's practice. Practice sentences. Excuse me, can I have a blanket? I'd like some water, please. What time do we land? Is there Wi-Fi on this flight? Can I change seats? These are common and helpful. Listen, pause, repeat slowly. Tip 4. At the hotel, check in and help. At the hotel reception, here's what to say. Practice sentences. I have a reservation under the name, your name. Is breakfast included? What time is checkout? Can I have an extra towel? Where is the elevator? Use your real name when you practice. Repeat with emotion to build memory. Tip 5. Ordering food. Simple and polite. You're at a restaurant. Ready to order? Let's go. Practice sentences. Can I see the menu, please? I'll have the chicken with rice. What do you recommend? Can I have it without onions? The food was great, thank you. Keep it polite and friendly. Shadow and repeat until it flows naturally. Tip 6. Getting a taxi. Quick and clear. Need a ride? These taxi sentences are must-know. Practice sentences. I need a taxi to the airport. How much is it? Can you take the fastest route? Please stop here. Do you accept card? Practice in front of a mirror. Say it out loud, just like you would in real life. Tip 7. Asking for directions. Easy questions lost? No problem. Ask with confidence. Practice sentences. Excuse me. Where is the nearest ATM? Is this the way to the train station? How far is it from here? Can I walk there? Thank you so much for your help. These short questions are very powerful. Repeat with energy as if you're really asking someone. Tip 8. Shopping. Polite and clear. You walk into a store. Here's how to interact with staff. Practice sentences. How much is this? Do you have it in a different size? Can I try it on? I'm just looking. Thank you. Can I pay with card? These work for souvenirs, clothes, and more. Practice in a whisper first, then say it confidently. Tip 9. Immigration. Stay calm, be ready. Crossing the border, be short and polite. Practice sentences. I'm here for vacation. I'll be staying for 7 days. I have a hotel booked. This is my return ticket. No, I don't have anything to declare. These sentences are real and useful. Practice with a calm voice. Tip 10. Tech and emergencies. Stay in control. Sometimes your phone dies or plans change. Here's what to say. Practice sentences. Do you have Wi-Fi? My phone isn't working. Can I borrow a charger? I need help, please. Is there a pharmacy nearby? These cover common travel problems. Practice with clear and calm tone. Final tip. Replay and practice daily. Repetition equals confidence. Watch this video again tomorrow. Practice one tip per day for 10 days. Comment below, I practiced tip today. Don't forget to like the video. Leave a comment. What's your favorite travel phrase? Subscribe to Slow English Lab for more real-life English lessons.